6:48, turning to weather right now, the start of an active weather week.
Yeah, Lindsay, we are getting hotter throughout this week, but those storm chances are also rising.
Right, it's like right on time with kids getting out of school. It's like, okay, now we go pool weather, but I need you to pay attention because there are some storm chances in the forecast. A big story also is that we're heating up. We topped out at 66 degrees yesterday. Today we're in the upper 70s, and yes, 80s are on the way going into tomorrow, but it comes at a cost with increasing storm chances. Today, I think there could be a stray storm, but there are a couple of showers right now that are in Madison. I think they kind of nick some of our northern counties like Fond du Lac and also Dodge County. Otherwise, I think for the most part, we're going to be dry for the rest of the day with increasing sunshine for the afternoon. Then overnight tonight, get a big old area of rain that starts to move its way in. The storm chances start to ramp up. We get hotter. We get more muggy. Then we get rounds of storms on Wednesday, and we finally dry out going into Thursday. And the temperatures the whole time are a big roller coaster. So this area of rain I've watched for several hours. I was thinking it would likely go north and east, kind of nicking our northwestern counties. So far, that seems to be true. A lot of that due to an easterly drying wind that's keeping some of that rain at bay. But that is something I am closely watching. Obviously, it's just knocking on our door right now. So areas in Beaver Dam, Ripon, Waupun, Fond du Lac, Mayville, you'll likely see some of these scattered showers. Nothing strong about them, and they're already decaying quite a bit. You see how they kind of just lose that intensity. So it's nothing really to worry about. It's just a couple of showers, which we could actually need. We're below average when it comes to rain in many areas. 58 degrees right now in Sheboygan. And a live look over the Summerfest grounds, which will be packed, I'm sure, going into this weekend, as the first weekend of Summerfest will be kicking off, and it's really going to feel like it. We're on our way today into those upper 70s with that breeze coming off the lake, which is going to make it feel rather cool. I mean, just a cool breeze, not cold outside. Then overnight tonight, we do have some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms I'm tracking. We go back to 85 degrees for a high temperature. The dew points are going up. More storms are likely in the afternoon, and then rounds of storms likely on the way going into Wednesday, and everything kind of starts to fade out going into Thursday. But look at the comfort cast. I mean, sticky, irritating, humid, back to sticky, comfy for a day, and this weekend we get into the red zone. It's going to feel a little bit miserable by Wisconsin standards because we're not used to that humidity like that all the time. So here we go. Futurecast highlights that little bit of rain I was tracking all morning. That moves on out. I do expect some sunshine by the middle to the end of the afternoon, but keep your eyes peeled right here. This looks kind of nasty for areas in the Northwoods. That's likely going to be a big old squall line, or basically a line of scattered showers and thunderstorms. When they blob out like this, that could indicate the potential of some gusty winds, maybe some downdrafts. But you can see as it gets here, it fizzles out. But when you have those storms that just blob out like that and decay, you can get some damaging winds. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that. Molly Bernard, our meteorologist, she's going to be filling in for Mark Baden tonight. I'll be talking with her overnight because we'll be covering that together. And then you can see overall severe threats low, but I would expect maybe a severe thunderstorm warning for some gusty winds out of that. That cold front's going to move through, and all those storms will roll out from overnight tonight into tomorrow morning with wind, hail, and heavy rain. Then we go to Tuesday. The rest of the day Tuesday, that boundary stops, so we get some on and off storm chances on Tuesday afternoon, and then it just lingers. As you can see, it gives us these on and off chances through Wednesday. Everything finally moves out by Thursday, and we can breathe a sigh of relief going into the weekend, but it is definitely a very stormy pattern. Wednesday storms could even be on the stronger side with 1 to 2 inches of rain overall, and you can see we're just in there a little bit for that severe threat. I'll keep a close eye on that for you as we get closer. That's why I popped an impact icon up there for Wednesday. Should move out in time for the Big Bang. And then the first day of summer is like the best day of the week. It's not too hot. It's near average. The dew points aren't high. That is a great day because right after that, whoo-wee.
Things change.
Yep. Cranking up the heat, that's for sure.
All right. Lindsay, thank you.